Cushion Grip Denture Adhesive Review. Scam or legit? Dentist adhesives have long been a trusted companion for denture wearers looking to improve comfort, stability, and confidence throughout the day. Among the many products available on the market, Cushion Grip Denture Adhesive has built a reputation for its long-lasting hold and thermoplastic formulation. However, with a surge of attention in recent years, accompanied by mixed reviews and fluctuating availability, many users are beginning to wonder, is Cushion Grip Denture Adhesive a legitimate product, or is it just another overhyped dental gimmick? Cushion Grip is a unique denture adhesive in that it is thermoplastic, meaning it softens with heat and molds to the shape of your gums and dentures for a customized fit. Unlike traditional pastes or powders that require daily reapplication, Cushion Grip is designed to last up to 4 days per application. This extended hold has made it a favorite among longtime users looking for both comfort and convenience. User experience and effectiveness. In terms of performance, the Cushion Grip generally receives favorable reviews. Many users praise its strong adhesion, long-lasting grip, and ability to cushion sore gums. The product's thermoplastic nature allows for a snug fit that doesn't ooze or wash away with food and drink, something many find superior to traditional adhesives. It is especially helpful for individuals with ill-fitting dentures or those who experience frequent irritation from friction. That said, Cushion Grip is not perfect. Some new users find the application process tricky at first, as it requires heating the product and molding it carefully onto the denture. Others complain that removing the old adhesive can be difficult, especially without using hot water. There are some occasional comments about packaging issues or difficulty dispensing the product as it nears the end of the tube. Scam concerns and market confusion. The main source of skepticism surrounding the Cushion Grip stems not from the product itself, but from its inconsistent availability and pricing across online marketplaces. During the years when the product was off the market, the demand grew while supply disappeared. This gave rise to counterfeit or expired versions being sold through third-party sellers at inflated prices. Some buyers reported receiving hardened or defective tubes, leading them to believe that they had been scammed. In conclusion, is it a scam or legit? Based on product performance, users' reviews, and historical reliability, the Cushion Grip Denture Adhesive is a legitimate product that delivers on many of its promises. It offers long-lasting adhesion, improves comfort for denture wearers, and provides a unique alternative to traditional adhesives. However, buyers should be cautious when purchasing it online due to the presence of third-party sellers who may offer expired or marketed up products. In summary, the Cushion Grip is not a scam, but buyers need to be informed to avoid sketchy sellers. When used correctly and purchased from the right source, it remains one of the most effective denture adhesives options on the market today. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.